Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you two methods on how you can remove your gel polish at home. So the first method is using a peel of paste coat. Here I'm using the Glam peel of paste coat. You can get it easily from the website and you can see it's very smooth. The size of the brush is pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply it on my nail. I just pop my nail so that there is no remain of any oil or any dust. And after that, once you applied it, just cure it. It's basically like a normal base coat, so you're just gonna apply it in the same way. So here I'm using again a shade from Glam, and this one is to a tomato, positive tomato I think. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply it so that you can see it. And here you can see that it's very easy to peel off. I've seen some peel off base coats that you need to dip your hand in a hot water for like 10 minutes, but this one you're just gonna peel off like that. Bear in mind that it's gonna change the duration of your gel polish. So if you're wearing this one, do not put your hand in water because it's gonna like remove immediately. The second method is to buff your nail. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna file the outer layer of your nail and you're just gonna remove the shiny layer so that you can easily soak it off. And here you can see that the gel polish has started coming off, but it's still sticking to my nail, so I'm just not gonna pull it because it's just gonna ruin my natural nail. And here I'm using the gel polish remover from Classic. It's a very good gel polish remover. I'm using the lint-free pad, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply the gel polish remover on here. Then I'm just gonna wrap my nail inside this nail wipe, you can say, and then I'm just gonna put the aluminium foil over. This is to make the process faster. And also of that, I'm just gonna put the nail clip so that it does not move. Just wait around 5 or 10 minutes, and 10 minutes should be more than enough. And here you can see that it's already done. The remaining thing, you can remove it using the gel polish remover tool. If you don't have it, you can use a cuticle pusher. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna remove it like that. One thing that you can do is to apply a cuticle oil before applying the nail wipe so that your cuticles does not dry like mine. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I will see you very soon. Bye.